Hi everyone, welcome back to Python code Nemesis. In this video, we'll understand lazy loading in databases with Python and SQLAlchemy. Lazy loading is a database optimization technique used to improve the efficiency of data retrieval by loading data from the database only when it's explicitly requested. This approach is precious when working with large datasets or complex table relationships. In this article, we'll explore the concept of lazy loading, its benefits, and how to implement it using Python and SQLAlchemy. Understanding lazy loading. Lazy or deferred loading is a strategy employed in object relational mapping systems like SQLAlchemy. It revolves around delaying data retrieval until necessary, reducing unnecessary database queries, and optimizing resource usage. Benefits of lazy loading: efficient resource utilization. Lazy loading minimizes the amount of data transferred between applications and the database, conserving network resources and reducing query execution time. Improved responsiveness. Applications remain responsive even when dealing with extensive datasets, as data is fetched on the fly, reducing initial loading time. Memory optimization. By loading data incrementally, lazy loading prevents memory overconsumption, making it suitable for applications with limited resources. Implementing lazy loading with SQLAlchemy. First, you need to set up SQLAlchemy. You can install it using pip. Define your data model. So consider a scenario where you have two tables, author and book, with a one-to-many relationship where an author can have multiple books. Here is how you can define these models with SQLAlchemy. So in the end, in author, you have table name authors, the ID name, and then books, relationship of this class book, and lazy equals dynamic. In this example, the author class has a book relationship defined as lazy equals dynamic. This indicates that the books associated with an author will be loaded lazily, meaning they will be retrieved from the database only when explicitly requested. Querying with lazy loading. Now let's use lazy loading to retrieve an author's books. In this code, all the books associated with an author are loaded lazily using the .all method on the author.books relationship. The query is executed only when we explicitly request for the books. So if we had requested for the ID or some other information, it wouldn't have executed this. So that is the optimization that lazy loading helps with. That's it for this article. Please feel free to leave questions or feedback in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to Python Code Nemesis. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next one.